It looks amazing, but then yeah, games lovely. Yeah, come to super people's games. Status, what's the status? Sakshi, ready here? Everyday status is ready. Lovely, yeah. Come on, tell me. Education, lovely. See, now it's all going. Reading books, lovely. Health, lovely. Taking your time, waking up early. Sorry? Supply, yeah. Watching movies, lovely, nice. Money, lovely.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.